So comes with 3 pieces of the crossbar, 2 end caps. So when you get it, you'll want to dry fit everything first. So put the end caps on. You kind of want to see where or how long depending on how wide your screen door is, will obviously depend on how long you make this. So this is obviously can be adjustable up to a certain width. Ours isn't very wide, so we won't need very far. But the first thing I'm going to do is attach the end caps because that is not adjustable. Actually, I got 2 different size screws here. So it wants the smaller head screws on the ends. Okay. And then now you just need to figure out, how wide to make it based upon your door. And ideally, you need to figure out how wide your door is and adjust from there. Adjust the bar to fit. So what I'm going to do, and then you have to drill holes depending on how wide you need to go. Drill holes and then screw it in place, and then it's locked down. So what I'm going to do is I've test fitted on the screen to figure out how wide I need to make it. I'm actually going to tape and put a little tape on either end here so that when I make my drill holes, it doesn't move. Kind of keep that on there light so it doesn't. This is duct tape. Painter's tape would probably be the best. Just really need something to kind of keep it in place while you drill it. And then once you have it taped, you might throw it back on there to make sure it didn't move on you. Pretty happy with that. So we got a little drill bit here, so we're just going to do one. Take the tape off. Hopefully this duct tape didn't leave any residue. And for good measure, we'll go ahead and drill out the other holes. Probably don't need to. It's pretty strong. All right, and then you take the wider screws, and now we're gonna affix it to the screen. There you go.